Samsung Z Fold 7 is the thinnest fold yet, so here's to hoping it finally happened today. Since this is the first substantial redesign of the Fold series in about 4 years, I'm pretty excited about it. And wow, does it already look really nice inside of that box. I'm feeling slightly guilty for what about to happen, and like, yeah, it does take a special person to want a phone like this. A special person with really deep pockets, since it starts at $2,000. The phone costs more than my first car. Beyond just deep pockets though, you also gotta have clean and soft pockets, since there's a whole list of caveats to ownership. Like, don't press too hard on the screen, make sure nothing's inside when you close it, the phone is not dust resistant, so you don't get wet, and don't remove the protective film on the display. And finally, keep away from anything affected by magnets, like medical devices or credit cards. So far, the only thing negatively affecting my credit card though is buying this phone in the first place. The camera bumps on the back are just as big as the phone itself, which is kind of bonkers. I do see that Samsung has eliminated the air gap though between the middle lens and the body of the phone. The method of watching my S25 Ultra video. Sorry, scratches level 2 or 3, glass scratches level 6, and sapphire streaks smartphone scratches level 8 or 9. Thankfully though, since Samsung is using Gorilla Glass 2 on the outside screen, we start seeing scratches at level 6 with deeper grooves at level 7. Very normal compared to other flagships like the Pixel 9 or the iPhone 16 Pro. When we get to the inner screen though, and this is where unfortunately I must be the bearer of bad news, the inner screen has not changed at all. Even though we are on the 7th generation of the Samsung Folding series of fold phones, this Fold 7 still scratches at level 2, which means anything and everything will cause permanent marks on this inner screen surface, including fingernails, pockets, and well, just about anything really. But the good news though is that Samsung will include one free inner screen protector replacement free charge within the first 12 months, and subsequent applications are available at $19.99. Regular people though are not allowed to remove the inner screen layer. If anything besides just the top layer damage though, the full replacement is around $589. So its durability is definitely something you might keep in mind. That's good. The favorite standing power button is made from plastic, but the volume marker is made from metal and removable. Not a big deal if it comes out though, since it can just be popped right back into place. The top of the phone has dual noise cancelling microphone holes, the upper stereo speaker slit, and the SIM card tray, with no room for external storage, which is a bummer. This line feels like more of that armor aluminum. Samsung says this new armor flex hinge is 27% thinner and 43% lighter, which makes me 100% more confident that's gonna snap like a pretzel. The bottom phone has two more microphones, the lower stereo speaker, and rings that protect against solid objects larger than 1 millimeter in diameter. The A part of the IP48 pertains to version input. Obviously we're just focusing on the best side of things at the moment, and since you're in the USA, we don't know what a millimeter is, I'm just hitting everything I got. Even sprinkling the dust specs directly on the hinge. Surprisingly though, even with all the dusting, neither the phone nor the hinge appears to have taken any damage. I mean, yeah, if the phone gets close to your hard rock pebble, that's game over for the center display, but at the moment it does not appear like dust will easily get inside the internal hinge and grinding more than the end of the screen. Which is good. The in-display play support, which hopefully we'll see in a second. The 100 Hz 2600 nit AMOLED screen does permanently burn in about 10 seconds. So if you send a lot of fire text to the ladies, you should probably keep those to a minimum. The exterior screen is 6.5 inches with 422 pixels per inch, but has the same 120 Hz AMOLED panel that burns at around 15 seconds and does not ever recover. Now, since none of this Fold 7 is living through its last few seconds to run, I just want to see what it looks like with my camera installed before it's delivered. Kind of a sneak peek if you will, the inside.